So let's continue in our lesson. So in the last lesson, we started with JavaScript expression where I showed us how, what it means to have an expression in JavaScript as a combination of values and variable, which will give an output at the end of the day. And I demonstrated that using addition of two variables together in order to get an output in the console. And then you might be wondering, why did we not get out this answer on the screen instead of opening the console? Well, you can as well get this answer on the screen, and I am going to show you that now. So if you want to get the answer on the screen, just add an ID to any place where you want it to show. I've added an ID to this paragraph, and then you can now use that our usual document dot get element method, and then select that ID, which is the demo. Yes, I'm going to close it. Dot inner, since you want to change content, we call on inner.html the usual way. And then what is it that you want to output? X, the value of X, which is the variable. Now, if you look at the browser on the left hand side, you can see it is already showing. And also, not only can we output our variable like this for an expression, we can also change this inner.html to turn to a string expression that will be evaluated. Let's see that. And let's switch to John plus. So you see this double quote I'm adding. I'm using it for space. And if you take a look at my browser, you can see I'm saying John Doe. You can see that everything is molded up together, they are joined together, and there's no space in between. In order to give that space, once I just put space between this double quote, so there's a better way to add space in your code as we progress in this JavaScript series. But for now, I'm just using this double quote and putting space in between in order for us to see how JavaScript expression works with string. So what I'm basically doing is that I'm telling JavaScript that John plus this space plus do is an expression, and I want it to be I want it to be computed and give me an output result, and that is what you are seeing in the browser as John Doe. You will see that the output has been expressed. I mean, it has been evaluated, which means that all the double quotes are no longer showing, the plus are no longer showing, but the result of that expression is what we are getting in the browser. So I'll see you in the next lesson as we continue to learn about JavaScript. Don't forget, you can practice in order to internalize this knowledge that you are gaining. Thank you. I'll see you in the next